Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my video, subscribing to my channel and give your valuable inputs for all the videos we released. As you know, we crossed the mark of half a century videos with all your continuous support and valuable feedback. And I expect this to continue for the future too, for enabling me to release the videos what you are seeing now. As you know, my videos are original, thought-provoking, trending, and futuristic, and it is focused on everyone who wants to know about marketing in a practical sense, and they can implement in their business whatever they do. So, in this line of new series we are looking at today is marketing today. We have released so far 7 videos, and as I told you, this series I kept it open, and I'm just taking the series based on your valuable inputs. So please keep giving your valuable inputs so we can do this series for a while. So in this aspect, today we talk about the strategies for the trouble times. So this is also one of the popular demand we received from the viewers about how a company can focus on what kind of a strategies they will use when they go for doing business in this circumstances we are facing the trouble times. We all know because it's almost 7 to 8 months we are facing these issues all over the world. Everything is standstill. No movement of the people. The normalcy is affected. But however, the things are happening. The companies are doing things. They're surviving. So, what kind of a strategies they should be using at this point of time and the way forward? So, this is what we will be looking at today. So when we look at the strategies, see we focus on strategies, different strategies company can use. We all know. So the market penetration strategy. So what the company needs to do now, whether they have to focus on the same market and enhance their market share to focus on more initiatives to increase the market share in the same market, or they'll be looking to move into new markets by using a market development strategy. So this is another big question in front of the company. So the market development aspects, whether it is possible today, and where the company can move if they want to use this market development strategy. Then the third one is the product development. So whether the company focus on developing new products at this point of time, is it relevant or it will add any value to the company to come out of the present situation, or they go for the integration aspects, whether they go for horizontal integration, whether they can buy any existing companies. Because of today's scenario, the company can afford to buy the existing companies, the companies which are looking for a suitable buyer, uh, or sometimes they can focus on a strategic alliances also. Some companies looking for some kind of an help from other company, they can focus on the strategic alliances, or they go for a vertical integration. So you have to add some new aspects. That means you acquire a new plant or something to add value to your existing product line or production line, or you focus on a diversification, totally deviate from what you are doing, and in order to uh, merge yourself with the current times. Compatibility is very important. So these are all the strategies which the company can look into it. These are all the strategies. I call it as a strategy for a growth and strategy for the maturity stage or the stage what we are facing. I'm not saying it's a kind of a maturity stage, but it is a kind of a stagnant stage. It's an artificial stagnant created by the external environment. So that maturity stage strategy also company can look into it, like diversification strategy, or they can look for at times that the product development or market development. So those kind of an aspects. So here, when we are looking at the different strategies, so it could be a kind of a mapping of the strategies for a different company. So we can't give any foolproof recipe for which strategy to be used for the company. So it depends on the nature of company and the products and services they are dealing with. So at this point of time, the very safe strategy the company can focus is they focus on the market penetration strategy, stay in the same market and develop their market. So that is what it's very ideal at this point of time. And if possible, they can go for a market development if it is allowed and it's applicable. So they can think of moving to some new markets and they can develop their markets with the existing product. So it's a big no for a company when they go for a new product development if it is very important and required. So if the company is into technology, like recently we see WhatsApp also come out of new video conferencing aspects. So it is possible for a technology company to come out of new products which are relevant to this recent times, the situation what we are facing. But the other companies also we see the companies those who are in cosmetics or sanitizing, that the personal care or health care. So they can focus on coming out of new products which are relevant to the existing scenario. But rest of the companies they need to wait and watch how the situation will evolve and unfold. So accordingly they can decide on that. Another aspect, like the company can think of a horizontal integration. So this is a time the company can go for the horizontal integration if they can afford and they can look for the suitable company to take over and buy. It's a kind of a compatible aspect, so they can focus on those things. Uh, so these are all the strategies. So diversification is a must for many companies, so those who are primarily into offline, and they should now migrate into online because of the situation calls for it. So as we discussed in our videos on technology focus, so the company can resort to the technology by going for mobile apps. Most of the companies today they go for mobile apps. So at this point of time they can focus on that. So diversification also is on the cards for our companies. So as far as the different strategies are concerned, it is up to the company how they can use it. But the primary aspects they can focus on, these are all the things: market penetration, market development, and product development if it is allowed, and horizontal integration, which is also very important. And strategic alliance is another very important strategy the company can think of, because there is a compatibility requirement for the company which they can get from other company, especially for the logistics and other aspects. So the strategic initiatives, the strategic alliances is a big aspect which company can think of at this point of time, either as a technology or an investment. So that is also the company can look into it. And the finally, as you say, the diversification is a must for a company. So the company those who are primarily into offline, so they should slowly move into online because situation requires. So these are all the different strategies the company can look into, and they can make use and they can come out of these trouble times. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support and watching my video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with your network. Please continue to do so, and please give your valuable feedback for us to release more videos. So I have a plan for releasing more videos in the future. And I'm also looking for the valuable inputs on what kind of a series you want me to come out with, develop. So based on that, actually, I will work out and develop new series. Once again, thank you very much for your continuing support.